Speaking of the 2024 battle, the suspense over Amethi and Raebareli continues as the Congress CEC meeting held last night concluded without any decision on the two seats which have been Gandhi family bastions. However, Times now learns that the CEC members urged in the meeting that Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra should contest from Amethi and Raebareli respectively. Sources in fact also have told your channel that Uttar Pradesh Congress leaders have pressed the party leadership for decision at the earliest and have left the decision on the Congress president entirely. The party is expected to announce its decision in the next couple of days, perhaps in a day or two. That's the latest coming in as far as the CEC meeting of the Congress party is concerned. It took place yesterday and a lot of buzz really on who is going to be fielded on Amethi and Raebareli. Is it going to be the Gandhi siblings as is being anticipated and is being broken down here by Times now the last 2-3 days. In fact, remember, we've also been picking up news that the Gandhi siblings might also visit Ayodhya. They may offer prayers at Ram Mandir in Ayodhya before filing their nominations. All of that may just happen between the 1st of May and the 3rd of May is what we're learning. There's been a strong buzz that Gandhi family siblings will contest from the family strongholds.
Raebareli and Amethi.
Sir, when can we expect, sir? When can we expect?
Within 1 or 2 days.
Tomorrow we can?
1 or 2 days, everything will be clear.
Remember, Rahul Gandhi is contesting from Kerala's Wayanad, from where he is a sitting MP and where elections have already taken place. He's likely to fight from Amethi as well, the constituency he lost to BJP's Smriti Irani in 2019 Lok Sabha polls. Priyanka Gandhi, on the other hand, is likely to be fielded from her mother's seat, which is Raebareli, as Sonia Gandhi is now moved to Rajya Sabha and is not contesting elections this time around. The local cadres, of course, have consistently been demanding that a Gandhi family member should be contesting from both these seats. Let's also listen into what some of the UP Congress leaders have had to say just ahead of yesterday's CEC meeting.
निश्चित रूप से अमेठी को है इंतजार देख रहा है गांधी परिवार। यहाँ पर जन जन में, युवाओं में, नौजवानों में और पूरी अमेठी की आम जनता में, जनमानस में जो गांधी परिवार को अपना परिवार समझता है, बहुत ही उत्साह भरी नज़रों से देख रहा है। बहुत काफ़ी वर्षों से, कई महीनों से प्रतीक्षारत हैं सारे लोग और वो क्षण लगभग करीब आया है। तो हम सब लोग उत्साहित हैं कि निश्चित रूप से जब घोषणा होगी।
देखिए, कार्यकर्ताओं में तो काफ़ी उत्साह है, लेकिन यहाँ के अमेठी के आम जनमानस के गौरव और सम्मान की बात है। उनसे 2019 में एक भूल हुई थी और गलती हुई, बहुत कुछ खोया, जिससे अमेठी बहुत पीछे चला गया। यहाँ की जनता में हर घर में खुशी की लहर है। लोग पूछ रहे हैं कि भैया कब आएंगे। हम लोग गांव में निकलते हैं तो होते भैया आई हैं कि नहीं है राहुल गांधी। तो लोगों में इस बात का है कि हमारा गौरव फिर से वापस आएगा, जो खोया हुआ सम्मान था वापस मिल जाएगा।
Amid speculations of Rahul Gandhi returning to Amethi, the BJP stepped up its attack, predicting his crushing defeat at the hands of Smriti Irani. Taking a dig at Rahul Gandhi, Union Minister Piyush Goyal said he should contest on 4 to 5 seats as his chances for winning from any one of these seats looks very bleak.
मैं खुले दिल से स्वागत करूंगा। राहुल गांधी जी मेरे क्षेत्र में आए, उत्तर मुंबई में, और लड़े। वो चाहे तो उत्तर मुंबई भी आए, अमेठी भी आए, बनारस में लड़े ना। हिम्मत है तो बनारस में लड़के दिखाए। जिस कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी में लड़ना चाहे उनका स्वागत है, खुले दिल से और खुले आम स्वागत है। और मुझे लगता है उन्हें 4-5 कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी से लड़ना चाहिए। कोई शायद तुक्के में एक आध आ जाए कि वायनाड से तो हार रहे हैं और मेरी बहन स्मृति ईरानी जी उनको अमेठी से इतनी बुरी हार दिलाएंगे इस बार कि फिर वो पार्लियामेंट में तो आने का सवाल नहीं है, पर वो जनता के बीच में जाने लगा।
देर हो गया ना, 5 साल कहाँ थे। जनता चुनाव लड़ती है, नेता चुनाव थोड़ी लड़ता है। तो जनता के बीच में है नहीं, और थे दक्षिणी भारत, अब आ गए हैं उत्तरी भारत में। तो जनता ने पहले हटा दिया कि नहीं अब जाओ दक्षिणी भारत रहो, यहाँ नहीं रहना। पिछले इलेक्शन में उनके आने से कुछ नहीं। अब जो अपने नेता के लड़ने का, कहाँ लड़ेगा, कब लड़ेगा, उसी का फैसला नहीं ले सकती हो। तो जनता के फैसले, यहाँ जनता जनार्दन है, जनता जज है, जनता फैसला लेती। जनता फैसला ले चुके कि मोदी को जिताना है।
Let me go across to Adib, my colleague, joining us live with more details. Adib, it's very clear that, the Congress leadership in Uttar Pradesh does earnestly feel that it should be Rahul Gandhi from Amethi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra from Raebareli. But why is there so much hesitancy amid the top brass to really put this on the table, discuss it, and really come out with a final word? What is taking so long? We're though being told that a decision is likely in the next 1 or 2 days, but there was a lot of uncomfortable silence around these two seats as far as yesterday's CC is concerned, is what we're learning.
Well, the Congress leadership in Uttar Pradesh, they were saying that they are holding back these seats as per a strategy, and soon they will be releasing the list for the candidates of Amethi and Raebareli. Now, after the yesterday's CC, we are expecting that Congress may release the list today or tomorrow, after which the picture will get clear who's the candidate from Amethi and Raebareli. But the Congress cadre in Uttar Pradesh is excited for Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi. The workers in Congress in Amethi are saying that it should only be Rahul Gandhi and he should only contest from this very particular seat. Let me also show you some visuals of the Congress office in Amethi. These are some posters which were put a week back when the speculations were going on that Rahul Gandhi will be contesting from Amethi. They put on these posters welcoming Rahul Gandhi. The Congress office, this is the Congress office where it was also renovated, painted a week back. And the Congress cadre in Uttar Pradesh is excited. They are saying that we have urged the UPCC has urged AICC, and even in yesterday's CC they demanded that only Priyanka and Rahul should be contesting from the seats of Raebareli and Amethi.
Stay on with us, Adib. Let's quickly hear it from Udit Raj of the Congress joining us on the phone line as well. Good morning, Mr. Udit Raj. You know, your thoughts. The CC of the Congress took place last evening, and everybody's eyes really on who the Congress is going to choose for Amethi and Raebareli, and the sentiment of the UP Congress cadre is very, very clear. It should be the Gandhi siblings.
Certainly, I do support. And of course, there is a procedure that the CC will take it up, not like PM Modi, that who himself declared incumbent or PM in waiting for third consecutive tenure. So it's not dictatorship, it's a democratic party. Definitely, the president of Congress party and working committee member they will take the call, and of course, in a day or two will be decided. Definitely, Congress and people are demanding Priyanka ji and Rahul ji to contest election from there.
Mr. Udit Raj, the BJP firmly believes that this is a calculated move, that the Congress party waited for elections to conclude in Wayanad, and if at all Rahul Gandhi is fielded from Amethi, this is all a part of a larger strategy to ensure that Rahul Gandhi's prospects in Wayanad don't get affected, and they stay intact in Amethi as well. And now Union Minister Piyush Goyal has come out to say that he may contest from as many seats because he's not confident really, and he may not win any.
It's our concern. They should not be worried about our poll prospect. They should look into themselves in first and second phase election. They have almost been routed. So they should worry about themselves. Better that they concentrate on their job as we concentrate on our job. But
would you want to take that question, Mr. Udit Raj? What took the Congress so long? Why these historically Congress strongholds had to wait for the longest time for a name to be declared?
Then you should be a Congress leader or worker, sympathizer, that why Congress is not doing this. You are a journalist. I have answered it. It's my party decision.
No, it's an obvious question only because if at all a candidature is announced now, sir, with two phases having passed already, it's going to be just about 20 odd days for the candidate to campaign in the constituency.
See what happened, that is up to us to decide. It's our own affairs, internal affairs. And you are questioning such things. You are not questioning about inflation. You are not questioning about that what is the promise for unemployment in BJP manifesto. Have you ever? And of course MSP, etc. Let Let us handle ourselves with our affairs. Thank you so much.
So pointed questions are being asked to BJP, Congress, each and every party concerned, each and every party which is fighting this 2024 battle. These were questions, of course, pointed at the Congress party, and these were questions which were coming in from the BJP. We were just directing those questions to you. But many thanks for sharing your perspective this morning.
Kane sir, your dinner.
On a tile? Arey, it's antibacterial.
Scratch resistant also.
The plates? Kane bhai, it's a tile ad.
IM Plus टेक्नोलॉजी से बने वर्ल्ड क्लास टाइल्स। टाइल हो तो सिंपल हो।